Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to use MailerLite platform for beginners. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. First, visit MailerLite's website and create an account. After logging in, you'll be taken to the dashboard where you can access various features like campaigns, automation, subscribers, forms, and more. To start creating a campaign, click on the Campaigns tab and select Create Campaign. Begin with Regular Campaign to set up your email. For automation, head to the Automation tab and choose Create Workflow to start setting up automated processes. To create landing pages, go to the Landing Pages tab, click Create Landing Page, and select a template. Customize it to fit your brand and then publish it. For integrating with other tools, go to the Integrations section and connect MailerLite with platforms such as Shopify, WordPress, or Zapier to enhance your email marketing strategy. If you're looking to quickly grow your email list while also earning high-ticket commissions, I've got a free training program for you, linked in the description below. It's completely free and super easy to get started, so be sure to check it out if you want to build your list more effectively. Thanks for watching.